this video, we are going to talk about how to create a listing on Facebook Marketplace using Spot and List. First, you need to go to your suppliers page and choose your desired product. Click the copy button at the left side of the screen. Click Open your Spot and List extension and you should see your copied product on the product list. Then you proceed to your Facebook Commerce page and then click Items. Click Open your Spot and List extension and then click the Paste button of the product that you wanted to list. With just one click, your product listing is now complete. Thank you for watching this video and please watch our other Spot and Paste tutorials in this channel.